So guys, Tetrapleura tetraptera belongs to pear family. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. To my old subscribers, thank you so much for checking on me all the time. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the VIP of this channel. I so much appreciate you all. For my new subscribers, thank you so much for coming also. If today is the first time you're seeing me, don't forget to look at that right hand of yours. You will see a letter that says subscribe. Just do me a favor and click on it. After that, you will see a bell, and once the bell comes out, click on that bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you so much. So today's video, what are we talking about here? I want to share with you guys another healthy, important, special and undiscovered, yes, because some people don't know the benefits of it, and it has a very great health benefits. What am I talking about? Wait a minute. I'm talking about, look at it, these fruits. Do you see it? Yes, this is called Aidan fruits in English. In Igboland, I'm from Igbo. I'm a Nigerian mom, yeah, but I'm from Igbo side. So this is called OSAKIRISA in Igbo, or you can call it OSHOSHO in Igbo. That's the name I know about it. We also have dialect name for it, that is from place where I'm coming from. Then in Yoruba land, they call it Aridan. I don't know whether I pronounce it very well, but that's the way I used to hear it from one of my colleagues. Yes, they always eat it also. And this, you can find it only in West African countries such as here Nigeria, Ghana, and other countries. So why am I talking about this? I'm talking about it because it helps also in weight loss. And not only that, guys, you really need to have this. If you don't know about it, give it a try. I want to show you guys how you can use it to make a tea, and then I'll go ahead and tell you guys many benefits of it while doing the tea, because the tea serves many purposes. If you're on weight loss journey, it will help you to burn the fats also. Not only that, it's also an anti-convulsant. Yes, so this thing you're seeing is very, very medicinal. We also call it Prekese. Yes, that is a Ghanaian name. That's the name they used to call it, Prekese. When I came here newly here in Dutchland, I didn't know that we have this OSAKIRISA in African shop. So when I went there, I found it and I was so happy to have it because I know that it contains a lot. If you look at it very well, you'll notice that, just take a look at that very well, you'll notice that it is not dry. It is now like, it is very soft because I have used this once. I always use it, I always drink it, even cook with it. So look at the dry one here. This is the dry one. This is the way it's supposed to be. Even the leaves are very medicinal. The leaf serves as a vegetable, and this one serves as medicine. Many things for us. Even this also serves as antibacterial soap. So guys, let's get started while I continue to tell you guys the benefits and why you should have it at home. So guys, here it is here, but I'm going to use this one. Like I told you guys before, I have used it for once. So these ones are the dry ones. I have not used these ones. I will keep it, set it aside, then and continue with this one. So right now, I will go ahead in a clean pot, add Tetrapleura tetraptera belongs to pear family. The benefits are, it helps in prevent of hyperuricemia. The fruits is used for healing, which is proved scientifically. That is, the wet fruits extract of the dry OSAKIRISA, as you're looking at it, or you can call it Prekese, has a very good wound healing properties, which the study was done at the University of Uyo. And it proved that the low extract has more efficient benefits than when high concentration extract was taken. It helps in convulsion management and also for epilepsy patients in control and management of the condition. Why? This is because it has the ability to slow down the nervous system, which is to prove that it has an anticonvulsant properties. That is, the aqueous extract of the fruits. It contains strong analgesic properties. So, by containing that, it shows that it is used to manage arthritis and rheumatism, thereby reduces the inflammation in arthritis and rheumatism patients. It is used as mosquito repellent. How? That is, it is very effective when you mix it with essential oil. Very interesting, right? So, It is also used for weight loss because it has the ability to cleanse the extra fats in our bodies. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Good. And not only that, this, as you're looking at it, has been identified as a powerful medicinal plant for curing high blood pressure. As you're looking at it, that is hypertension I'm talking about here. And if you have a gastrointestinal disorder such as diarrhea, vomiting, or stomach pain, this is for you. It's going to help you. Yes, it's going to help you. I'm a witness of it. It helps me a lot. And this OSAKIRISA, call it Prekese soup, is always prepared for the nursing mothers. I told you guys. And why? I told you guys why. And the benefit of it. It contains, not only contains, it is rich in potassium, calcium, and iron. This soup also helps in the production of milk in new mothers and helps to restore the lost blood. Did you see that? It also helps to restore the lost blood. OSAKIRISA or Prekese, as you're looking at it, it has antibacterial and antimicrobial property because of that, as in, because it contains both. The fruit extract is used in making of soap, which has a great medicinal benefits for the skin. So guys, you can see the benefits of it. And not only that, guys, yes, I forgot, it also helps in fertility. It will make you to conceive. If you are the type that is looking for the fruit of the womb, by the special grace of God, this Prekese or OSAKIRISA will definitely help you. And or have an infection, this is for you. Infection that leads to not being pregnant, this is for you. So it's very good to have this at home. So guys, it is now 10 minutes. So let me bring down the pot. Guys, I don't know for others, but for me, I so much love the smell. I really love the smell of this drink. So look at it here, guys. Right now, I'm going to put it here. Like I told you guys, I don't throw it away immediately. I'm going to use it again. So what I'm going to do now is put it in a tight container and put it inside the freezer. Then tomorrow, I'll use it again. I can use this one for 1 week. I'm an honest woman. I can use this one for 1 week. Cook with it before throwing it away. So right now, I'll now pour the whole water here. Yeah. Did you see it? So allow it to settle before transferring it on my tea cup. So guys, I just want to transfer it right now. So take a look at that. That's the drink for you. So drink this whenever you want. It has no negative. It is always in a positive side. You can take it at any time you want to take it. It is still hot, but not so much. So hot as I want it, but not to drink all at the same time. I like the smell and the taste. It's very good. So guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and comments. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.